Can't find the item you are looking for on Temu? Here's how to fix it. First, check the spelling of the product you are searching for. Sometimes a typo can prevent the item from showing up. Try broadening your search by using fewer keywords or filter options. If the item still does not appear, it might be out of stock. Check the product space for availability. Lastly, ensure your app is up to date to avoid any bugs related to item listings. If the item is temporarily out of stock, try again later or look for similar products using alternative keywords. And that's it. You should be able to find your item now. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.